Assalamu alaikum, sultanas and beloveds out there. I hope you guys have been having a lovely and amazing weekend. As we embark on this journey towards self-reflection, healing, and trauma recovery, it's important to remember all of the times Allah saved us from a struggle where we thought the darkness would never end. So I want to spend a minute out of the day before we get back to the hustle and grind of the week, just to breathe and to give thanks. I feel moved to give thanks for so many reasons and so many special people. But today, I want to give thanks in particular to the Somali Community Center of Atlanta, who was there when I thought there were no other outlets and nowhere to go in a very darkened place of urban poverty. There are so many who deserve thanks, but I want to point out some very notable figures such as Sophia Jama, Auntie Ledan, Umar Sheikhi, and Abdi Hakim Usman, all who were always there when we needed them, and this journey of life would be very different without their contributions. Perhaps I wouldn't have been even able to come back to Africa and to live the life that I'm living now. So I would like to give thanks to them, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to my parents, and to all those who have contributed. And don't worry if your name has not been listed. Trust me, I am not one to forget. People say that I don't forget the past, but that's not always a bad thing. Sometimes you have to remember the past so that you can remember the times that you were saved and the people who were there to help you move forward. And if you are in need of support, please do not carry this weight all alone. Reach out to your local masjid and your Muslim community center. You may even reach out to me, and you may find a love, guidance, and help more than what you could expect. And if you don't exactly know where to go, or if you need references, absolutely leave me a comment below or let me know inshallah in my DMs, and I will be sure to share with you any references that I have. Until then, I hope you guys continue to have a wonderful and lovely weekend, and don't forget to raise our hands to thank Allah and to thank all of the wonderful people around you. Take care with that. Take care. Have a great week. And I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.